Hi, so today is Monday. Andito ako sa trabaho ko ngayon. Actually, lunch break ko. Pero dito na ako, nag-lunch lang dito sa kotse kasi binuunan niya ako ni Jamie ng sandwich para yun na lang kainin ko for lunch kasi like last week. Ang dami-dami ko kasi iniisip, so parang kapag nasistress ako, yun yan, pumupunta nga ako sa Von Meals and kumakain ako doon, so medyo napapagastos tayo. So sabi ko na lang kay Jamie na baunan na lang niya ako dahil syempre para nagsisave tayo ng pera dahil very uncertain pa nga yung situation natin kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami lilipat, mabababa ba yung renta namin or tataas. And yun sa last video ko nga, no, sabi ko nga na hindi namin alam kung matutuloy yung viewing namin today kasi hindi nga ako binalikan nung agent last Friday, pero this morning nag-reply na siya, so tuloy nga kami 6 PM. So hindi ko nga alam kung paano kami aabot mamaya, no, kasi hanggang 5 nga ako. This past few days kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero medyo matraffic nga dyan sa highway, sa highway 401. So sana umabot naman ako kasi usually diba sinusundo ko nga si Sky ng mga 6, so dumarating ako doon siguro 5 minutes 10 minutes before 6. And then yun nga, sabi ko nga kay Jamie, after namin sunduin si Sky, diretso na kami dun sa apartment. So mamaya papaalam ako, tingnan natin kung pwede tayo mag-take ng mga videos para magkaroon lang kayo ng idea kung ano yung itsura ba ng apartment dito and kung magkano. Yan, so tapos na yung work ko. Ito, pinapainit ko na lang yung sasakyan. And then sunduin ko si Sky sa may daycare niya, pero sabi sa akin ni Jamie kanina gusto raw sumama ng mga bata, si Sarah, si Enzo, tsaka si Sky nga. So lahat sila diretso na dun sa daycare ni Sky, and then doon ko nila sila sunduin, and then diretso na kami dun sa apartment. Yan, so nandito na nga ako sa daycare ni Sky. Yan, actually andyan na sila Jamie tsaka si Enzo, I think. Kasi yun si Enzo nagbike papunta rito, so andun yung bike niya, so isasakay na lang namin siya sa likod ng kotse. Pero si Sarah, I think naglakad-lakad pa ata siya, so wala pa siya rito, so siya na lang hinihintay namin. Then punta na nga kami dun sa apartment.
38 minutes daw si Sarah. Nasa Kenning Hall siya. Dadaan ba tayo doon?
Siguro.
Sige. Stop ka dyan.
Enzo, let's go. Why did you bring your bike? Huh?
I don't know.
What?
No, I don't know.
Can I ride my bike?
Yeah, turn left.
I want to ride my bike!
Sasakay na lang namin siya sa likod ng
But I
kotse.
said I was going to ride my bike to the car. I don't do the other one.
Sky, go down.
Don't go there, baby.
So yan, dyan lang namin nilagay yung bike.
I said right there.
Let's go. Ayan, so nandito na kami sa Meadowvale Gardens. Enzo, behave, ha?
Okay. Yeah, okay. I need you guys to bathe.
Ayan, so pasok lang kami dito sa rental office. So binigyan niya sa akin tong parang information. So papunta kami ngayon doon sa 2 bedrooms, pero ang gusto muna niya ipakita sa akin is yung mas mahal, parang 2,700 ata or 2,800 per month. Pero ang sinasabi niya kasi brand new unit to kaya mas mahal. Pero yung gusto ko nga sana talagang tignan lang is yung tig to 2,500 kasi same unit naman na 2 bedrooms pero may gumamit na before. So yun nga, eto may playground sa loob, and nakita ko nga rin sa information na parang may swimming pool din dito. Pero yun nga, yung rental na 2,500 hindi pa kasama yung parking, and yung parking dito parang $100 per slot. Sky, wait for us. Sky,
Not there, baby.
here.
Where are you going?
I feel so warm.
You feel so
Okay.
warm.
Come on.
How many bedrooms is this?
This is 3.
3. Okay.
May access sa likod.
This is 3 bedroom. Here you have the laundry.
So ito, 3 bedrooms pala muna to.
That's also part of the the apartment already?
See,
Ah,
yes,
okay.
yes,
I
yes.
have that.
Yeah.
You have.
Then here you have the kitchen. The good thing about this is the kids can actually run and you have no problem.
We can open this fridge.
Okay.
I can open this fridge.
So, pwede rin magtakbo-takbo yung mga bata kasi soundproof daw itong sahig. So, ito, isang bedroom.
Don't lose yourself.
But I don't have top.
Ito yung toilet. How many washroom?
One.
Just one. So, ito na pala yun.
No matter here.
Okay.
Too big though. I mean, yeah. Too much.
Ito yung master.
Yeah.
Ito, malaki. So, yun yan. Dito sa labas.
Look, I can stay here for a long time.
The two bedrooms are. This is over 1,000 feet square.
It's so
So,
cool.
ito yung second or third bedroom. Yung kanina yung master. This
This
is
is
nice.
3,500.
3,500? $3,500 per month.
Then how is the garbage?
Again?
So, ito naman yung 2 bedrooms na
Again?
brand new. Pero nasa 3rd floor siya. Yun, may laundry din. There's,
The same. Here you have your laundry.
Mhm.
There's no food here. It's not your house.
And the kitchen.
Kitchen.
I just put that so they can look
Okay.
nice.
So, ito yung living space. Ito yung isang bedroom.
Ito ate in
Alin?
second bed.
Ito yung master. Kasi may closet siya. May walk-in closet siya.
You see the walk-in
Yeah,
closet?
ito yung
Very nice.
You
CR.
also have a closet inside the room.
Ito, ano to? Storage. May bathtub din siya. Maganda. Pero ito nga yung brand new na unit. Pero 2,700 per
Can
month.
they run around here or not so much because there's somebody down there?
It is, well, you have to understand, it is,
Ayan, tignan natin mamaya yung,
This
ano,
bed, yeah.
okay.
yung isa.
I mean, it's not finished yet,
Mhm.
but you can have an idea how our apartments look like.
Oh.
Okay?
Sky, stand up.
Sorry. Here, remember there, you
Yeah.
have here, you have a storage, empty,
Mhm.
okay?
And for laundry here?
The laundry is outside.
It's
It's a sharing laundry.
Oh,
Show you.
That's the kitchen.
I
ito
have.
yung kitchen. Pero ito medyo luma yung
Look, what's this doing?
model
So
niya.
this was previously leased
Tsaka
by
yung fridge.
Nice.
Yes. Yes. This is
And the
a
other one is
This is-
new.
That's a new.
Oh, that's
Oh yeah.
nice.
Yeah. This is in the process to be. You see, they have carpet, which is better for the kids. No lights in the rooms.
lights.
You need to connect your lamps,
Uh-huh.
and you open and close with this, the power.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little bit
So, ito,
different.
yung pintura niya.
This is the
Medyo
master bedroom, same.
old style na. Sabi nga niya, wala nga raw ilaw dito. So, kailangan mo maglagay ng lamp. Pero yun nga, malapit siya sa exit. Hindi ko alam kung good thing siya or bad thing na malapit siya sa exit kasi parang pwedeng pumasok.
How old is this apartment?
How old is this apartment?
Sa
Yeah.
toilet,
Oh
kaya
my
lang
God, these
walang
buildings
ilaw.
are built in the 70s.
In the 70s?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, ito yung master bedroom. Ayun, meron din siyang closet. Natin. Wala rin. And then ito, merong bumilya. Yan, so ito yung 2,500. Do you like this one?
Of course, for the kids.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. If you're talking about, you know,
Okay.
yes.
Ito, 2,500.
Also, you have to remember,
Look too.
that one is $295 more. So
I'm gonna live here.
Do you have money?
My grandson. My grandson stays home with the grandma.
So gusto na ni Enzo rito kasi ayan, meron palang swimming pool. Dito lang pala siya katabi ng rental office. Di ko siya nakita kanina. And then dito, may gym din. Free use naman siya. Ayan, actually, ang ganda rito. Pero yung presyo lang talaga masyadong mahal. Pero we'll see kung anong pag-usapan namin ni Jamie mamaya. Ayan na, hingin na natin kung ano yung opinion nila.
Daddy, I wanna live here.
Ha?
I wanna live here, please.
And you, Sky?
How about you, Sky?
Go here.
Here?
Hey, that's dirty. Don't...
Ano? Anong comment mo?
Go in there.
Anong comment mo?
Maganda, pero ginto, no? Iniisip ko pa lang yung transpo. Transpo pa lang, gagastusin sa kuryente.
Ay, walang ganda ng place.
Very nice.
Pero syempre, may budget tayo. So, tingnan natin.
Let's see.
Yan. So, nandito lang nga kami sa bahay. Hindi namin napakita kanina nung pagdating
Guys,
namin
get away.
dito. Kasi kumain na kami diretso kasi pare-pareho kami nagugutom na. So, itong dalawa nakapaglinis na, nag-toothbrush na. And si Enzo may sasabihin.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.